Hello world, my name is Dr. Kundlas and I'm a primary care physician for the last 25 years. How can we treat tinnitus naturally? What are the changes which we could do in our lifestyle which will improve tinnitus? As you know, tinnitus is one of the most difficult condition and it is a nightmare for a patient and for us physicians. We feel your pain, we feel your discomfort, and we have very few things to offer you. Naturally, if you change certain lifestyle things, it will help you a lot. Let's take up diet and nutrition. You must reduce caffeine and alcohol because both of them increase the intensity and frequency of those unpleasant sounds. Balanced diet. Balanced diet has been proven over and over to decrease both intensity and severity of tinnitus. What is balanced diet? Balanced diet is primarily consist of plants, which is vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean protein, quality fat, and vitamins and minerals. Stay hydrated. You will find if you are dehydrated, intensity and severity of tinnitus increases. Number two, herbal medications and supplements. I'm not a very big fan of these supplements because they have never been properly tested and they have not gone through rigorous testing which any other medication or any other medically approved modality will go through. But it is well-known fact that ginkgo, zinc, magnesium, and vitamin B12 supplements can improve or decrease your tinnitus. Number three, stress management. Stress management is basically diverting your attention from this annoying sound to something else. Let's explore what is meditation or what in meditation we are focusing our attention. We are cultivating the faculty of mind which is attention. Change and divert our attention where we want it to be from where it is now. That is what we call meditation. That is what cognitive behavior therapy is. We must learn these techniques. When this sounds become so disabling, you should be able to break this cycle and divert it somewhere else. Deep breathing and yoga are also very helpful. Number four, sound therapy. The basis of all sound therapy is you are providing alternative sound from outside. This tinnitus sound, which is of very different kinds, everybody has a particular pattern. Once you disturb that pattern with a different kind of a sound, the mental tension and pain which is associated with consistent sound which you are hearing decreases. There are a lot of white noise machines, nature sounds, ambient music, they all are helpful. Basically what you are doing is you are disturbing the constant pattern which you are hearing and you are replacing with a different sound, and that leads to easing of your pain. I think it's a good place to discuss about music. That's why music has a lot to do with treatment of tinnitus, because that sound or a beat will disturb that pattern and it will help you. Next is sound exposure. Make sure to avoid loud sounds. Loud sounds like going to concerts in supermarkets which are very loud will make your tinnitus worse. And the only way you could protect yourself to have tinnitus so that you never develop tinnitus is to avoid sound trauma. Make sure you check with your physicians regularly. And if you have hearing difficulty, ensure to get hearing aid, because 90% of the people who have a tinnitus, they do have some kind of hearing loss, and sometimes Hearing aids could be revolutionary in helping you to prevent or treat tinnitus. Lifestyle modifications: exercise, adequate sleep, and low salt diet have been very effective in helping you with treating tinnitus naturally. Acupuncture: there is a lot of data where acupunctures have been really helpful in preventing or treating the severity of the tinnitus. Again, with it, acupuncture, you are diverting your attention from a normal sound to somewhere else, leading to relief of symptoms. Next, cognitive behavior therapy. Cognitive behavior therapy is that we are shifting our attention from the negative connotation of patterns to something where we want. Home remedies like apple cider vinegar, oils. Some people claim they get some relief, but they have never been tested, and there is no scientific basis for that. Keep yourself hydrated. Make sure you develop a predictable pattern of lifestyle which is consistent, and experiment with the different options which we have discussed. You may find certain work better for you, and whatever works for you, use more of it or do more of it. I feel your pain, I understand you, but these are the tips and tricks which you could have in your sleeve to treat your tinnitus naturally. Thank you very much.